Hello. Y'all was having fun getting ready today, but I'm going to show you guys a really, truly clean girl, fresh face, no makeup look. I really enjoy this makeup look, and this is the type of makeup I've been doing lately, to be honest. So I feel like my content, I be trying to like pivot. I know we got here because of makeup, but y'all, when I do makeup, it be this simple. And I don't know if y'all want to keep seeing these, but I do think it's a good place in the makeup world for looks like this. In addition to some lifestyle and some hair content. So make sure you are subscribed, stick around. Makeup and beauty will always be in me, okay, and hair. But I love a good simple, fresh face look. I'm really about skin and then just honestly not having to do all that, not feeling like doing all that and still feeling pretty. Okay, so I just did my brows after saying all that. Y'all already know I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Here I am tapping in primer just in certain areas because we doing a very light beat. I don't want all that sticky stuff all over my face, okay? This Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter, this is important. This is one of the most important items in the no makeup, fresh face, clean beauty, blah, blah, blah. All of that look, baby. This Charlotte Tilbury is going to get you there. I love this stuff. I tap it in with my hands. As you can see, my fingers going to work. And it gives you just a really nice luminous, and it also gives you some coverage. So it's important to get the shade that's closest to your skin. Make sure you're matching your undertone as well. But it's just a beautiful product. The Sephora sale is coming up. This should be in your cart. Pull up Sephora right now while you're watching this video. Put it in your cart, okay? And have it ready for when the sale comes because it's coming at the end of October. Next, this Dior concealer. This is a really good concealer, a lightweight, fresh face concealer. This is also a concealer that I would recommend. Not too much coverage, long as you're not trying to cover up too much or trying to do too much. It's definitely buildable, but we don't even need to do all that. I got some under the eyes, and I'm kind of like spot concealing. Make sure to check the description below for links to shop, links directly to the product, shades, and all of that. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment them. Anyway, so now I'm just blending it all in using this nice, like, small little buffing brush. This is a throwback from Morphe. And yes, I had like a little blemish in between my eyebrows. I don't know. The bumps be just like bumping. It's like, why would a bump come in between my eyebrows? I just, like, y'all could have came somewhere you want to come in between my eyebrows, like in the middle of my face. Like, it's giving. Anyway, okay, but I've been doing good with my products, and it really has gone away. Like, I have this niacinamide, I'm going on a tangent, niacinamide, like, serum. It's a K-beauty product. I told y'all I'm going to do my skincare routine once I get it all the way together. But anyway, niacinamide, that ingredient has been doing great for me. Blending this out. Now we're going to move on to a little bit of cream contour, just a little bit, just a dab, okay? With a nice fluffy brush. So usually when I'm doing like a full beat on down, I would do a foundation brush and pack in this cream contour, but we're not doing that today. We have a nice fluffy brush, and I'm like tapping it and brushing it into the skin because I want a nice light finish. That's very important, okay? This Danessa Myers gives a nice wet look. Anything Danessa always come through, always, period. So I'm like, okay, now we can take off my next strip because I, fixed my hair a bit. We got to get our contour up in there in the waves and also spot conceal. So this is the same Dior concealer. Also, do y'all be on TikTok? I feel like I've been trying to post more on TikTok lately. I've been enjoying TikTok. I feel like you can like be yourself. You can always be yourself. Let me caveat that. But, like TikTok is very like chill. Instagram, we be trying to put on our best. TikTok, girl, we coming on here looking how we looking, and I really appreciate that. So if you are on TikTok, add me. I be cooking. I be doing my hair. And I do like workout videos and stuff. So I would love to have you guys over there with me. It's chic.marie, ChicMarie. You always find me at that name. Now, I got the contour and everything where it needs to be. The skin is giving. We still looking like ourselves because we love ourselves, right? We don't put on no makeup to try to be somebody else because the only person you can be is you. So, baby, let yourself shine through. Come on. This is the Morphe setting spray. This is like melting stuff together. One of my faves. It just always gives for me, especially when you have powders on. Even though I didn't have powders on here. Setting the brows with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Brows will be in place all day. And honestly, if you out and about and you got a pixie like me or any flyaways, you can put that on your flyaways and it'll lay your hair down. Now we're setting, you already know, the Fenty Beauty Foundation Powder. This is the shade 300. Taking a nice little powder puff that I get from Amazon. It is linked in my Amazon storefront, which is in the link in my bio. Oh, not the bio. In the description box. Y'all know so many links be so many places. This is YouTube, so it's in the description box. But now we taking the 345, which is the skin complexion shade, and packing that into the skin. Very important step. Pulling everything together, making everything look smooth and beautiful, and just, it's my favorite. I love this powder, as you already know. I use this so much. If you guys have a foundation powder that you love, make sure you comment it below and let me know. Have anybody tried the one size? I was thinking about trying it. It's windy outside. Girl. Now here I'm actually taking the Fenty Beauty Foundation Powder in the shade 390 because I got shades on shades because it's my favorite. And that is going to give me a like natural finish. It's going to match the finish of my entire face. It's not a bronzer. It's not a contour. It's just a deeper shade to give me a nice, soft, bronzy warmth to the skin because we're going for flawlessness, okay? Is that a word? Anyway, we're going for a nice bronzy look. Now, this is a Extra Dimension blush from MAC. And I like to use these type of blushes that has a little bit of radiant finish, satin shimmer to it because we're not putting on highlighter. Okay? So it just gives us what we need when we're not trying to have like a highlighted look, you know, because we're not highlighting to the guys like we used to back in, what was that, 2015? Now, this is the Huda Beauty Powder. As y'all saw, I just take it and rub it on my hand just to kind of smooth it out, and I'm pressing it in. We're not baking. We pressing it into the skin, and it gives a nice, flawless, seamless finish. And it also helps blend in that blush. Okay? So we basically about done. This was very quick. Very quick, 15-minute look. I had music playing in the background. I was really jamming, honestly. Doing my thing. And now I'm fixing my little edges with my brow brush. And I'm going to spray some setting spray. 2 of them, actually. The first one is this one, Charlotte Tilbury. This would give us that staying power because we need it to last, even though it's not a lot. While that dry, I'm taking Who Needs Clothes from Fenty Beauty. Give me some shimmer. When we get all this chest out, all this, you know, all this out, shoulders, I always put a little shimmer. You can use a highlighter. You don't need that product, but that product is really good. Now, for the nice radiant finish, this Milk Hydro Grip setting spray. Bomb. Don't spray too much because you'll be looking like you're sweating. However, when it dries, it gives a very nice finish. It gives a skin-like satin finish. It's perfect to me. I love it. And this is pretty much the final look. Look at the skin. It's giving. I did want to add a lip. This is a MAC, very nude, natural lip. I didn't do any lip liner. Okay? Of course, you could do any type of lip you want. I didn't even do any mascara, which I'm glad I didn't, actually, at the end of this night. Woo! It was a long night. Mascara probably would have been dripping, but this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you made it to the end of the video, oh my goodness, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and holler at your girl. Add me on TikTok, Instagram, and all of that. Peace.